Good morning, everybody. So I want to share with you something pretty cool that I found out just recently. If you're anything like me, you're faithful to your barber. You don't go to anybody else. You go to your barber on a routine basis, and we don't cheat on our barbers, right? Well, sometimes situations come up where you either go to a new city, you need a haircut, special events coming up, and your barber, you can't get to him. And so I moved to a new city, and then I found myself in a situation where I'm like, yo, like, I need to go to my barber. So I'll drive like 2 hours just to go to my barber to get a haircut. But guess what? My barber, she had a baby. And so she's out for like months. And meanwhile, my hair is getting super long. And so I need to find a barber, need to find somebody somewhere to cut my hair, but I don't want anybody to cut my hair, you know? You can't just have anybody do your hairdo. And speaking of, right now my hair is kind of looking a little crazy, but it's all good. And so, but anyways, so I came across this app, it's called BOOKSY, and there's another app called The Cut. And both of these apps help you find barbers in your area that are really good, and they got a portfolio that you can check out. So like, it's super legit. And so all you gotta do is just download the app and just look through the barbers, look at their ratings, look what people say about them and their pictures. And then I found this dude, Pocho, and it was super nervous. I was super nervous about doing that. All right, so as you can see, your boy needs a cut. It's been about, actually it looks good right now. Man, my hair goes through phases. Like sometimes it looks good, sometimes it don't. But it's been like 3 weeks and I haven't had a haircut. And I found this dude on BOOKSY, that app. So we're gonna see how it turns out. You know, because again, we don't cheat on our barbers, you know what I mean? And but then he actually did a pretty swell job.
As you can see. Oh,
So if you're looking for barbers in your area, like, and this is not a sponsored post, I just want to make this video to help you guys, because maybe you guys are in the same situation, or maybe your barber isn't doing the cuts that you want and you need to find somebody else. So yeah, man, so I just want to share that with you guys. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week, man. Halloween's right around the corner. I might do something with that, so take it easy.